Okay, we're showing a deck that we just finished staining here. As we're walking up the stairs, we did replace 6 boards, and then we have, let's see if we can get a cloud to cover this sun a little bit. Get rid of some of this shadow. There we go, a little better. Alright, so this deck had existing stain, and we're seeing right here, this board especially, we had to do a lot of patch on this board. And we did a glue patch, and then we put our cover stain. This is an acrylic dark stain. So acrylic, and it's a bit of a brownish, almost of a plum color. And then of course we did replace 6 boards on the stairs. Look this way. But these are decks that call them character decks, because we replaced 6 boards. You could have replaced more boards,